Emerging from the shadows of feudal Japan, Emperor Meiji's reign marked a revolutionary period of transformation. Born in 1852, he ascended to the throne at a tender age of 15, sparking the Meiji Restoration. His rule from 1868 to 1912 ushered Japan into modernity. Under Emperor Meiji, Japan evolved from an isolated feudal society to a politically centralized state mirroring the Western powers. This era witnessed the abolishment of the samurai class, the introduction of a new constitution, and rapid industrialization. Emperor Meiji's reign, a fascinating blend of tradition and modernity, left a lasting imprint on Japan. Today, he is revered as a symbol of Japan's rapid modernization. So, the next time you ponder about Japan's progress, remember the transformative reign of Emperor Meiji. Voice 1, Kevin 1, end of loop.